Hi everyone and welcome back to today's more report on Friday the 10th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's move on to dollar yen now, and well, I mean, it just looks like the sort of caution that I aired in my morning report, whereby dollar yen was starting to break out above the resistance, and I was saying that, well, just be careful, because basically dollar yen has got this history of making sort of false dawns and looking to break higher and then just rolling over and correcting and retracing, and it just seems as though once again this seems to be the case. You had this dollar strength in the last few days, looking to break higher, looking to test that 120, 120 and maybe even the 122 resistance, but again we've just rolled over, and today the safe haven yen has caught a bid and it looks like it's dragging the price lower again. This is the hourly chart. This sequence of higher lows and higher highs, which is all well and good, very positive, but it looks to be coming back again. Now, what you would argue is, now if the support at 119.83 gets tested and broken, then the bulls have lost control once again, and you're just back into that whole ranging argument once again. So this sharp move to the downside needs to be held in terms of support, and needs for the bulls to return once again. There's a mildly positive outlook on the momentum indicators. Nothing too strong in terms of momentum. Look at that hourly RSI, which on that run higher back on the 7th got well out into overbought on the hourly chart. RSI didn't get above 70 overnight or yesterday, so even on that higher high, so that would give you a little bit of caution as well. And it just, generally speaking, I'm just still a little bit on the back foot in terms of dollar yen, because every time it gets going it just starts to correct again, and I would just be worried that this is another time that is going to be seen. So just be careful of that. I think obviously that support at 1983, which is that key higher reaction low that we saw from yesterday, if that is broken, then or tested even, I think then that could be suggesting that the bulls are losing control. So lots of caution, I think, around this chart. The reaction high obviously is now at yesterday's high, or the overnight high, at 120.74, but the yen bulls have sort of regained a bit of spirit and dragged the price lower. And it just depends on how this one goes. You're already sort of back into an area which you're thinking about the maybe the moving averages being supportive. They're all rising, but they need to now start to hold. So I think that 55-hour moving average might be an interesting one. But certainly I think that the pressure is sort of maybe back on to a certain extent to the downside, and if this continues, then you could see once again just the continuation of this range play. So I wish you good luck in your trading on the dollar yen today, and I'll speak to you later.